Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do you wanna have a nice skin like mine? Anyway, do you know about this cream? Pure white, glowing skin, gold. It's a nice cream. It can lighten up your skin. I have the cream here, the creams here. I'm always doing the videos in our shop. I'm doing this review today, how you're going to be mixing it. So you're going to be mixing this, don't shout, you're going to be mixing this cream into the oil. This is a glowing oil. You're going to mix half of it into the cream, and you're going to stay with half of it, and you're going to be applying it on your skin. So this cream, you can also use it during day. It's a very nice skin. It does not matter if you're supposed to be using it only the night, but you can also use it during the day. It's going to tone your skin. It's going to lighten up the dark spots. It helps in anti-aging. It's going to age your skin. Your skin is going to be looking young and firm. It's going to help you get rid of the fine lines. It's going to help you get rid of green veins, rid of stretch marks, and it's going to leave your skin looking nice, like as you can see my skin, how it looks nice. It's going to help you have a brighter skin and very light. Yeah, it only works in 7 days. In 7 days you're going to be seeing a change. It's going to tone your skin. It's like the cream, it's like a moisturizer. You can use it and moisturize your skin. It's very nice when you use it on your skin. Just mix it the way I told you have to mix it. Put half of it in this cream, then half of it use it on your skin after applying it. Always make sure that when you're to use the lightening cream, take a warm bath, then apply on your skin after taking a warm bath. So you're going to be having the same skin like mine, because these kind of creams, they are very nice and very effective. So you can try it anywhere, it's everywhere, but if I tell you, you should always look for the original one. Love you all, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.